A soldier carried 60 of these in his pouch, 16 balls to a pound. So if you can imagine, you've got 60 of these in one of these pouches. It's very heavy to lug around. All right? So to load this, when you fire it, it has an effective range of about 100 yards or about 100 metres. To hit anyone at 100 metres, they've lost the lottery. Because if you're aiming at someone at 100 metres and you hit them, it's bad luck for them because it's sheer luck that you actually hit them. This thing is undersized. When you drop it down the barrel, it rattles down the ball. So when you fire it, it does exactly the same thing. It rattles up the ball. And if it's hitting this side of the muzzle when it comes out, the ball goes that way. So it's totally inaccurate. And when you see what we call linear tactics, when the redcoats are all lined up and firing, it's like a machine gun. You get 100 to 120 people all firing at once, and the enemy walk into that wall of balls. You understand what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not personal. You're not aiming at a specific person. These people do, because their rifle is capable. These are not capable.
Delivering that volume and rate of fire was essential to the British Army and the tactics of the day.
And that's why with linear, I call it linear tactics, and that's why during the Napoleonic Wars and subsequent wars before that, we actually beat the French time and time again because we could load and fire much quicker than what the French could do. They also, this is a 75 caliber ball or 20 millimeters. The French ball was 15 millimeters, so we could use French ammunition in our muskets, but they couldn't use ammunition in their muskets. Cunning, eh? Very cunning.
Why such a big ball? Because it was dictated that it had to be big enough to be able to break the leg of a horse.
And that was the whole idea. If you think about that, you want to pass that around. Don't, no.
Imagine what it would do to a person.
Okay.
No anaesthetic.
Don't handle it too much. It's not oxidized, so it should be right. It's lead.
Just don't go easy.
It's all right. It's not that bad. All right, now, to load and fire is a paper cartridge. Now, normally this paper cartridge would have this ball tied inside the paper cartridge in that position. Those that heard the talk before, what is the main component that a soldier had to have and was medically examined before he could join?
Teeth.
Teeth! Because the only way you could open this cartridge is by tearing the thing off with your teeth. And if you had no front teeth, you couldn't tear the cartridge open. So the way to load it was basically to grab it in your teeth, tear the end off, pour a little bit of powder into a pan, as Peter did before, shut the pan, pour the rest of the powder down the ball. Remember, I've got a lead ball stuck between your teeth, haven't I? You can't see it, but there's a lead ball stuck between your teeth.
Take a shortcut.
Take a shortcut. So what I now do is I take the lead ball and I go, puh, and I spit the lead ball down the barrel. I then take the empty paper cartridge, put it on top of the ball, and I ram the paper cartridge down on top of the ball. Why am I doing that? Why am I putting a paper cartridge on top of that loose ball? What happens if I tilt the musket up? What's going to happen to the ball? It's going to roll out. So that's why you did it. The paper cartridge went on top. Wadding, that's all it was. All right, at this point in time...
ball because they wanted them to load fast. A well-trained infantryman, it had to do minimum 3 times a minute. That's what the British Army were renowned for.
And you can do, if you were about to be overrun, you could do 5 rounds a minute, but you didn't use your ramrod. So you tip the powder down, spat the ball down the barrel, did that to seat the ball and then fired. Hopefully the ball was back against the powder. So you could actually fire 5 rounds a minute that way. Okay, the musket is now ready to fire. So what I want you to do, it's going to make a fairly loud bang. It's on half cock, which is the safety. I'm going to pull it back to full cock. Do you want to move it around to the front for me? Okay, it's now on full cock. When I fire this, the flint, which is a sharpened piece of rock, is going to come forward, hit the battery or the frizzen, raise some sparks which will fall into the pan. It'll then burn through the little hole in the side of the barrel and ignite the main powder charge. This musket will be half as loud as it would be if I had a ball on top of it. Alright, so I'm about to fire. Ready? Firing.
Now that would often happen. Alright, this is just something that was the technology of the day. To do that. So maybe you could have bad luck and that could happen as many times as 1 in 8, 1 in 10 times.
8 out of 10 it went off. 2 out of 10 you had a misfire. Either because the flint was blunt, your frizzen was case hardening was gone, or your
dirty or
dirty. I'll try again. Should go down this time.
Oh yeah. No.
Right.
So what you're going to do, and this is what they did, he's going to check the edge of the flint. Okay, so Fred and Wilma Flintstone here is a bit blunt, so he's going to nap it. He's just going to put more, he's going to tap it with a hard object, okay, and he's going to put a sawtooth edge on it, and then he should be back in business. Right?
So your flint's blunt.
Yeah, I know. I'm just going to fire
Okay,
this.
so as soon as this is fired, go
Now,
over the other
what
side
I'm
of the
gonna
tent to
do-
watch the cavalry demonstration.
I'm
Skillet
actually
arms.
I'm napping the edge of the hammer, of the edge of the flint, and I'm putting a sharp edge back on it again.
That's all you have to do.
That's what you got to do.
Whilst people are shooting at you.
Ready?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. The dog got it.
And the fire, and it's the musket discharge. Remember, that's half as loud
Yeah.
as it would be with a ball on top. You then go through the whole loading process again. And it took about 20 seconds to load. Now folks, if you want to move forward and have a look at the cavalry demonstration, it's worth having a look at. Those people that are firearm nutters can hang behind.